An international school is going to conduct a cricket tournament for their children, and there are 2 stadiums nearby the school. Stadium 1 is at 11 by 3 kilometers and Stadium 2 is at 13 by 4 kilometers. Then which stadium is more convenient for children to travel from school? In order to solve this type of problems, we need to learn comparison of rational numbers. Compare 3 by -8 and -7 by 12. Step 1. Express each of the 2 given rational numbers with positive denominator. 3 by -8 equals to -3 by 8. Step 2. Take the LCM of these positive denominators. Step 3. Express each rational number with this LCM as the common denominator. -3 by 8 equals to -3 multiplied by 3 by 8 multiplied by 3 equals to -9 by 24. -7 by 12 equals to -7 multiplied by 2 by 12 multiplied by 2 equals to -14 by 24. So, -9 by 24 is greater than -14 by 24. Therefore, -3 by 8 is greater than -7 by 12. From the above, we observe that converting each of the given rational numbers with common denominator is somewhat lengthy and more calculations. So, to avoid this, we use an alternate shortcut method. Let us consider 2 rational numbers a by b and c by d. Here, b and d are positive integers. Cross-multiply the given 2 fractions. Find the cross products AD and BC. If AD is greater than BC, then A by B is greater than C by D. 2. If AD is less than BC, then A by B is less than C by D. 3. If AD is equal to BC, then A by B is equal to C by D. Now, let us compare -6 by 7 and -3 by 4. Cross-multiply the rational numbers. -6 multiplied by 4 equals to -24 and 7 multiplied by -3 equals to -21. -24 is less than -21. Therefore, -6 by 7 is less than -3 by 4. Summary.